All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this 9308E. This is a little RC car from DRC. Should be a fun little car for probably a young boy or a young girl. So we're going to see how this goes. We're going to just rip it here, right here at my house. So there's a button right here to turn it on. I show you this more at the end of the video. So, oh, it's on. And I got the speed all the way up. Ooh, she's not too bad for a little car. Woo, nice, nice. Right in the grass, it'll go in the grass, that's good. Whoa, nice roll. This thing goes over ramps, nice. This thing goes pretty good for a little car. I like it. Whoa, nice ramp. Really easy to ramp. Whoa, four-wheel drive, baby. Ah, it's got lights on the front and lights on the bottom. Hard to see here during the day. Not super crazy fast, but fast enough for... I'll show you how slow it does go. All right, this is how slow it goes if you turn it all the way down. Oh yeah, there you go. That's the slowest. It's hard to really kind of wreck when you're going real slow. All right, let's turn it back up. That's boring. Nice. Full speed. This thing goes over that ramp. Nice. I like it. Whoa, missed it. Good wreck. Woo, that was a good one. Woo, good one. Nice. Woo, nice. We can ramp snow. I like this little car. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, ooh, good ramp. I think I got something stuck in my body again. Woo, there we go. Nice. Man, I bet you a little kid will have a great time with this thing. Whoa. That was a nice wreck. Woo, that was a good ramp, good jump. One more. All right, that's about it for this video. I hope you liked this video of this little DRC RC car. That was a lot of fun. This would be a real lot of fun for a young boy, young girl. If you want to continue watching, I'll show you what all comes in the box and how you put the batteries in this thing and a little more about this remote. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day. All right, this is everything that come in the box in the 9308E RC car from DRC, 8+ ages, 4-wheel drive. Here's some of the stuff it says on the side of the box if you want to see that. Metal differentials, 4-wheel drive again, rechargeable batteries, 2.4 gigahertz, brushed motor, full scale. You will get two bodies, which is pretty cool. You get the blue one and this green one. They're a little different. This one looks maybe like a little bit like a little lizard or something. This one maybe, I don't know. It says T-Rex here. Maybe some type of monster or something. But then you get the little car. Seems like it has nice little shocks on it. Really nice little car. 2 batteries of it. You get 2 2S batteries. There's one here. And I already have one in the car itself. You will get this little wrench. You can use that for various things on here. One thing you definitely can use it for is to check the tires so they're not coming loose. Little screwdriver. Little brush to keep it clean. And this right here is to charge the batteries up. You'll get a bag of various little clips and stuff, but you don't have to worry about losing the clips because their clips are all hooked right on the body. Shoot, the second body actually has more clips on it, so really, really nice. Now, to put this battery in, you'll just put it under this Velcro. It's going to get plugged in right here. Push this button down, pulls right out. It's a little button on the one on the car you push down. When you push it in there, you just clip it in. Real simple. Just like that. And you'll put this top on. Put all the little clips in there. Really like when the clips are hooked onto the body. You don't have to worry about losing them. Oh, I should show you this before I put that on though. The button to turn this on is right there. That little red button. You hold that little red button in. That's what's going to turn that car on. You can do it with this top on. There's usually 2 holes in these little pins. I don't know if it matters what hole you put it in. It's not going to come off. You have this controller right here. You will have this dial here on the bottom is to adjust the speed. If you can turn this all the way down and the car's going to go slow. You can turn it all the way up and the car will go faster. And then the one up here, that's going to adjust your steering. There's your on-off switch. This is how you're going to steer, right? That's right, that's left. This is forward, that's backwards. Easy peasy. Oh, and you will need 2 AA batteries for in it. Doesn't come with them. And that's about it. Nice little RC car.